Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making stewed beans. This recipe right here is packed with flavor and super delicious. So keep watching and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. First I'm going to fry my fish. In a preheated oil I'll add my mackerel fish which I marinated with seasoning cubes, salt, garlic powder and onion powder. I'm going to allow it to fry until golden brown. Once that is done, I will scoop it out of the oil and set aside. In the same oil, I will add my chopped onions, fresh curry leaves and allow it to fry for a while. Next, I will add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and allow it to fry until the sour taste is gone. I will proceed by adding my chopped bell peppers, red, green and yellow, seasoning powder, all-purpose seasoning and salt. I will mix very well to combine and allow it to fry for a while. Once that is done, I will add my cooked black eye beans, mix very well to combine and add water. I'm going to add the fried fish, cover and allow it to cook on a medium to low heat until the water reduces. This time I check on it and it's ready. I'm going to give it a good mix and we are done. You can enjoy it as it is or complement it with anything you prefer. Jollof rice, spaghetti or fried plantain. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!